Have you ever wondered how to streamline your application deployment process? MarkLogic Server with Docker is a powerful combination that allows you to containerize your MarkLogic applications and transform your workflow. MarkLogic Docker containers bundle application code and dependencies such as files, libraries, and resources into a single package. Containers are lightweight, portable, and memory efficient. With Docker, you can build once and run anywhere on premises in hybrid clouds or across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. With MarkLogic and Docker, developers can spin up environments in seconds and isolate application versions for testing. MarkLogic with Docker eliminates the infamous "will it work on my machine" question by packaging applications with all their dependencies into isolated containers. No more wasted time wondering if you installed the correct version or remembering platform-specific commands. To get started with MarkLogic with Docker, download and install Docker Desktop, or an open-source alternative such as Rancher Desktop. See the description for links to these tools. Next, be sure Docker or an open-source alternative is running on your machine. Once the application is running, download the official MarkLogic Docker image from Docker Hub. You can do that from the command line with the docker pull command. After downloading the image, spin up a MarkLogic container using the docker run command. In this example, this maps ports on your host machine to ports inside the Docker container. Use the appropriate ports for your environment. Replace this text with a new or existing MarkLogic username and password. After executing this command, a hash like this is returned. You can use this hash to reference the container with other Docker commands. Check on the status of the container with the docker logs command using the hash of the container. This line indicates the container is ready. MarkLogic Server Docker containers ship with scripts that make it easy to create clusters. If you add these files to your host machine, a command like this creates a single-node MarkLogic server. See the GitHub README listed in the description for more information. After the container has started, browse to localhost on port 8001. If the container has started correctly, the admin interface appears. Request a license by clicking inside the application. With MarkLogic running, you can access Query Console. Query Console is MarkLogic's tool for querying the MarkLogic database. Access Query Console at the address listed below in the description. For a complete list of parameters and instructions on starting an uninitialized version of MarkLogic Server, see the README file on GitHub. With MarkLogic and Docker, developers and administrators can create containers quickly and achieve greater agility and efficiency when managing MarkLogic environments. For additional resources, check the description below.